Can I record myself? Okay, I can record myself finally. Okay, because of this, there was a. I had not basically. I don't think anybody is going to watch the live stream. I don't think there is any viewers right now. There should not be. This is just because I have to be disciplined and I don't really have any viewers right now. That is to be expected. So anyway, I was just trying to like there have been I have made some mistake when I was configuring app DB context, right? So one of the mistake was that look at this. So here when I was configuring article, I should not have been configuring the feed source, but instead I should have been configuring article, right? So that was the reason why I was getting error, and not because I didn't have any feed source uh, to get an foreign key, right? So that's one thing. Okay, that I have to like I have to code it. It's not a hard code. I can just code it. Okay, but the logic, there was a flaw in that logic, and it seems like when I'm mapping anything, let's just say when I'm building a model builder, right? So the entity type that I will like one that I will focus on is going to be the one that has the foreign keys. Okay, so you probably want to just focus on that. And in this case article had, in this case, right, so the entity article had one feed source, right? But my feed source, like you can see here, so my article has one ID, it has one feed source ID, whereas my feed source can have many articles attached to it. So one feed source id, right, that one feed source id could be referred by a lot of articles. And yeah, that's how I have many articles. But every article that I have, every variation of it, it will have only one feed source. So there is that. There is that, my guy. And if I come here, so in my futures topic, right, so I have one key, but I'm not really sure why I'm doing it three different um instances. I don't know. Could I just check if I have a composite key and if I have a one to many relationship, I and a foreign key attached to this futures topic. I don't know if I could check it everything at once. I think I could, but I don't know. I have to look. I could experiment on it, but right now I don't want to experiment anything. Okay, but so but here what we have done is we have just first we have just checked, or we probably are telling that the composition of feed source ID and topic ID in my feed source topic is going to be our composite key, right? And as for configuring it properly, we have said that the entity field source topic is going to have, oh shit, is going to have one feed source, right? So it is going to have one feed source. So if I go to the feed source topic, I do have one feed source. I mean, it's a bridge entity. So it is a bridge entity, and that's how many-to-many relationships are being handled. So how it is being handled is that there is going to be one, I guess, one feed source in an entire feed source topic, right? In a composite key, it will refer to only one feed source, whereas, right, one feed source and one topic, whereas feed source is going to have many feed source topics. So yeah, so I mean feed source, yeah, that's basically how it is. I don't even think I made any sense, but to be honest, I yeah, man, shit, man, I need to look at it properly. I myself need to look at it properly. But that's just how many relationship works, and it's yet, and I need to look at it properly. I myself need to look at it properly. But that's just how my relationship work. Yeah. Okay. I was just checking how my voice sounds. Sounds pretty good. Not gonna lie. It's quite clear. Maybe I could enable. Wait. Let me see if I can activate noise cancellation. If it is, if it sounds good enough, then I'm probably just going to use AI noise cancellation. But depends. This depends. All right. Depends how. Okay. From what I can see, the noise cancellation is working properly. I'll have to listen to it in the recording once, but after that we should be able to do it. Once, but after that we should be able to do it. Okay, it sounds good enough. Okay, so what I was saying, I should not really focus on that thing, man. I need to just work on this. Okay, so my feed source topic has one feed source, right? So my feed source topic has one my feed source topic, brother. It's not feed source, it's feed source topic, right? Jesus Christ. Okay, so my feed source topic. Okay, so my feed source topic. So my feed source topic has one feed source. So that's the yeah that's navigation. That's navigation property that I set. So it has one feed source and one feed source, one to many. It has one to many relationship. So that one feed source uh, is going to be referred multiple times. No, that's not really it. It has one to many. It just means it has one to many relationship with feed source topic. So I guess that just means feed source one feed source can be featured multiple times in feed source topic. That's probably what it means, right? And it has a foreign key of feed source topic. So basically, one feed source from the feed source can be can be used multiple times in future topic. As for the topic itself, right? So topic, I've got topic as well. So I've got the topic entity. Okay, and that was a user. So I've got user topic entity, right? So right here. And do I not really have a? Yeah, I do have. What the heck? I didn't see it. My bad. So I've got a topic entity, and topic entity is it just has a name. It could be API, it could be technology, it could be AI, it could be machine learning, any topic that user selects, politics, anime, games, even anything, saucy animes, I don't know. Anyway, it could be any topic. And yeah, so the okay, so the topic can be in field search topic, right? Topic, it refers to it, the field source topic directly has one to one, like it has one to one relationship with topic, but topic itself has many to many relationship with topic. So it just means what I was saying previously. It's just that. So a topic can have multiple a topic can be referred multiple time in field source topic. And yeah, that is how they are gonna have more many to many relationship. uh what am I even saying, brother? So it just means, I mean, think of it this way, right? There are going to be many features, there are going to be many topics, and many topics are going to be you know referred, like a topic will be referred in many feed sources, and many feed sources will have many topics. So think of it this way: AI, the topic AI will have many feed sources to it, but then again, the feed source itself, it will have many topics like technology, AI, and such. So it's a many to many relationship. So for that, We have done it like this. But the thing is, I myself have forgotten how many to many. I like have shit. I just have. I'm getting loose in the concept of using a bridge entity and binding them together. Even though I know in the back of my head that it is a very simple concept, I'm not really able to fully comprehend it right now. But then again, this is a beginning footage, and I'm yapping too much. I'm stuck in this page for so long. I need to move on. But makes sense. As for user topic, uh, yeah, this is good. So user topic has one with the user, and user has many topics with many, yeah. And the user topic has foreign key as user ID, whereas the user topic, once again, it has one-to-one relationship with the topic, and it has many relationship with user topic. So yeah, basically feed source as article has one-to-one relationship with feed source, and feed source has one-to-many relationship with articles. So with article, right? So feed source has one-to-many relationship with articles. So feed source can be used in many articles. So in that manner, a topic can be used in many user topics, whereas a user can also be used in many user topics. So that is the simplest form. So all my yapping was just for this. Okay. So what happens is a user topic, right? It has a composite key, a composite primary key, and that is user ID and topic ID. And a user topic can, or let's say a user topic will within the user topic, a user, right? One user can be referred multiple times, whereas once again a single topic can be referred multiple times. And when they are referred, right, when they are referred, they will be referred as their foreign key, as their user ID, as their primary key on another table, which is a foreign key in this table. So that's about it. So basically, user topic has one-to-one relationship with user, right, and user has one-to-many relationship. I mean, what am I even saying? It doesn't make sense. Basically, they have one-to-many relationship with each other, and when you merge those one-to-many relationship, it becomes many-to-many, which is tackled by bridge entity. Yeah, I don't know. I need to draw a graph to showcase it, but it is what it is, right? Why don't I just draw it? So what I'm saying is this is user, and I don't need to do this. It's for myself, and I know I'm not gonna forget it. But okay, why not? So typically, what is going on is that a user and topic has many to many relationship, right? Many to many. So in this case, what happens is it's a no no. Okay, it's a no no. It should not happen. And I am not a database expert, so I'm not really sure. I forgot now, right, what happens, but it's just a no no. It's a no go. Okay, so what are we going to do? It's a many-to-many relationship. So what I am going to do is I am going to solve this by creating a bridge entity in the middle, right? Bridge entity, and in our case, the bridge entity is topic, uh, is user topic. Okay, so it is user topic, so that means user is going to have one to many relationship, right? Okay, so that was wrong. So user is going to have one to many, so a single user is going to be referred multiple times in user topic, whereas for topic as well, a single topic is going to be referred multiple times in user topic. So that is the way that we have managed many to many relationship by putting a bridge entity. Okay, so now if a user wants to refer anything, get anything, get his topics, then we can get it through user topic, which is the bridge entity, right? And we will just see where we have used the user topic, I mean where it is referred, right? And if the user topic, let's say one is referred with the AI, and once again one is referred with machine learning, and one is once again referred with anime, then this is how we are going to, so this is how we are going to get them values. And for as for the query, I have totally forgotten, and I think this is how we get it. But yeah, that's about it. That's meant to many relationship for you. And let me just save it. I mean, why not? It's a memento of the stream that I'm doing right now. I don't want to go any further below. I don't want to leak anything more than this. Okay. Okay. Sheesh. What is that? So let's just create one named stream, and let's just name it. Why not? I guess that's saved right now. Okay. So yeah, there is that. And the thing is, I just like to yap. And what better way to yap than by streaming, especially with myself. But who cares? What better way to yap? Yeah, that's that's about it. Um, another thing why I'm streaming is because when I'm streaming, I get obsessed with just streaming. I don't want to get distracted, because if I get distracted, then the screen is going to be empty. And I mean, like there is, I mean, even when I'm yapping, there is not a lot of activity. But imagine not talking, just letting blank screen be as it is. It's doesn't good. Man, I yap too much. Oh my god, I yap too much. Let me just see something. I want to see something. I want to see something. I want it to be created. Please, big. Okay, fuck, dude. Something happened. Something did happen. Something happened, and I don't know what. Something did happen. Okay, dude. Something did happen. There is a no error list. Okay, there is not a error list. There is nothing. Create article command. Okay, why did it break there? I don't know what happened. API command article get article command article commands create article features ID get. There is something wrong here. I mean, how am I doing it, brother? But, okay. What is the error, dude? It should not be happening like this, not like this, right? Not like this. Futures ID. I've saved everything, I think. I believe I've saved everything. Why is it not working, my guy? It should have worked. I mean, it works. I'm pretty sure it works. Let me test it from the post then. This is for article, this is for features, and my god, look at this. I have the same features over and over again. I want to remove it. I will create a delete, and I'll delete everything, or create an update and update. I'm not gonna update, I'm just gonna delete. But I have to work on get okay, look at this. Look at this ID, bruh. I Okay, and speaking of ID, right? I probably will make some changes, and I'm not show any ID because that is not good. I don't know if it is. I just don't want to show the ID, but right now, but right now, because of the ID, I know that I have 17 feed sources already. So that means the reason that it failed is not because of the feed source ID that is 12. There is some other reason. Look at this, dude. Look at this. There is something wrong with it. Create article command. There is something wrong with create article command. It says, but I am pretty sure there is not. I mean, if there was not any error, then why am I even getting that error, right? So there has to be something. I mean, create article command, dude. It's a foreign key, right? It's a foreign key, so how can I get the foreign key if not like this? There is a repository. I don't think a repository is gonna do much to me right now. It's not gonna do much help. It's not gonna help me much. So I always end up clicking on GitHub Copilot chat, and that lags my PC for a bit. Not PC, but this application for a bit. Is it because of the controller? Look at all of these comments. I like commenting like this. Article response create article command. I have seen the command right. Task action result article response, because I'm only going to send one article. It's not going to be list. Create article or sync from body from create article commands. But do you know, before I do this, I need to check if it exists or not. So that is that as well. What do I do? I need to think of something. I mean, I guess I could. I guess I could, but then again, it's not like this. I need to get a topic ID somehow. I need topic ID, man. I need topic ID. But how am I gonna get it? User topic. Feed source ID. Article DTO, right? Article DTO. I have it, and I do have ID. I believe. I do have feed source ID, right? I do have a feed source ID, and for some reason, I just cannot seem to be able to do it. Why is it? And for some reason, okay, returning IDs. This one is for my feed source, and it is working. But it's just that this is not working, my guy. What does it even ask of me. It doesn't ask a lot of me, does it? It doesn't ask anything. I mean, I'm not asking anything, brother. I'm not asking anything. All I ask is public in futures ID, and I'm getting 12. I'm getting 0.5. I'm getting, yeah, I'm getting everything, right? So why am I? What is what is the mistake, brother? I need to create this. What? Create article command int feed source ID. What? Brother, do I now? Do I? I have to do it like this? Oh my god. Do I need to create an entity? I mean constructor. Do I need to create a constructor? I need a constructor for you? Why? What? I don't think I need a constructor, man. Well, what do you know? In the age of AI, we gotta use it, man. Let's just ask. Or I don't even need to use it, honestly. Copilot is very good for this thing, I believe. Okay, so uh, is it because I do I need to create a constructor because I cannot directly manipulate the value thanks to this, thanks to protected set? Is it because of this? I need to ask, brother. I need to ask it. I need answer, right? So I'm gonna ask it. Okay, so I'm getting an error when I try to Now we see what it says. It's thinking. Uh, that's good. What is that all about? Okay, so why are you getting error? Because the different force enforces when doesn't correspond with and be removed authority does not exist in the database. What? It does not really? It does not exist in the database. What do you mean, brother? Protect the ID property. The ID in this base entity is marked as protected, which means cannot be set directly as an entity class or a class. This could cause issue. But then again, I am associating it to the field source entity though. Am I not? I think I am because this is not how I set it. I set it through the handler. Where is my handler? I need to look at my handler. And if you go to my article handler, then you will see that before I even try to add anything, right? I have already mapped it. I have already mapped the request and it is now article entity. It's not DTO anymore. So, man, that cannot be the issue. And as for the data, right? Database. Okay, I have a features ID and it's time for me to go to eat. It was a fun little session, but I didn't make any progress. I just yapped. I did try to teach something to myself for my future reference. It is what it is. Okay. Mm, man, what am I doing? This is not it. This is not it. This is not it. This is not it. Okay, brother. This is not how it is supposed to be. Do you think it's gonna help? Creating a constructor, is it gonna help? I mean, how is it even gonna help? I don't know, man. I don't know. If it works, it works, but it should not work. This is not even the same data. This is the data, and okay, I get the same error once again. It's not because of the constructor, brother. It's not because of the constructor as I thought. How is the constructor even gonna solve it, my guy? It said the same thing. It got thrown off because I mentioned the constructor. I mean, in your database, it does exist. It does exist. Okay, in article class, what? Use a constructor in the article class. Set the feed source ID in the command handler. No way, dude. What? Request that feed source ID. Why is this? Why am I doing it like this, brother? Interior Entity Framework tracks the framework. I mean, it does track the framework. It does because it definitely does. Okay, okay. With that being said, I guess we could before we do anything, um, before we do anything, okay, let's just try to do something. Before we do anything, let's just go to the controller article controller. and just see if it exists or not. Article. It just means I cannot even use mediator right here, can I? I cannot use it like this, so I have to do it all. Azuma, wait a minute. I don't have. Oh shit. Okay. Wait. I cannot import it here. That's that sucks, bro. That sucks. Uh, brother, that sucks. What the fuck, man? That I don't want to use a. I don't want to use context. I don't want to use that context. I don't want to use database context. This, I don't know how it got here. It should not be here. I mean, I think I do know how it got here. I was just clicking something and I misclicked. I interface should not be here. I guess I don't have any choice. API dot. I need some controllers and controllers dot not base controllers dot. Yeah, that controls fine, good enough. But the thing is, I just can't. You look at this. I already have controller, mate. I already have controller, and I'm already within the same namespace, so I should be able to import it. But I just can't import it, can I? Can't use it, dude. Can't use it, brother. I cannot use it, man. Get all my field source ID async. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. And here, yeah, command the features ID. Okay, so is article no, dude, is feed source. Okay, um, let's not do this. Do I still have it? Yeah, I still have it. Okay, that was dumb. That was definitely dumb. Okay, so if I have a feed source, if is feed source null, I don't think I need like this feed source and not found. Field source not found. All right. And if I do have a field source, then I'll do it like this. So this is one simple, a very simple logic that I have. Yeah, it should work, dude. I don't see why it is not working, but it's not working, and that's bothering me. But it should not bother me. It should work. Please work, mate. I gotta go eat. For now, let's just try to get the not found message. Okay, so let's try to get the not found message. How many features do I even have? I have 17 features. So if I said it was features 18, I just want to see not found it. Okay, 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 dude. Okay. uh, there is something wrong with how I've set it up. Well, that's it for the stream. Gotta end it right now. I'll be back.